yeah. I thought it was what you call it on there. You got this Grand Marquis clean, man. I'm telling you.
It's 2009.
Yes, sir. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's a Bobby Gateley box, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
Hey, I knew it when I seen it.
Yeah.
That's one of them ones you don't have to talk about too much. Just put it in there, that's all. Hey, you need a clean box for a clean vehicle though. I can tell you take care of it. Yes, sir. What kind of speakers are those?
It's the
L, like the
L7Q class.
That's what I was like, Q class. That's what I was wondering. Yeah, they look good. Appreciate you letting me check it out. You ain't doing no demos no night?
Yeah, you gonna check it out?
Yeah, I will, yeah. I ain't never heard none of them, so it'll be the first time.
CD.
Yeah, that them right there got more settings in than the new ones most of the time. The older ones do.
8-volt output.
Ooh, no. Oh yeah.
And the young man wouldn't let him sleep.
You on social media anywhere?
Yeah.
Where can they find you?
TikTok, coolest guy you know, and Instagram, Chris Barnett 482.
Okay. I'm gonna try to tag you in the video, bro.
All right.
I sure appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
All right, see you on the next one. Huh?
That's continental.
Yeah, I ain't seen one of them like this here.